Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture series on C++ programming. In this video, we'll discuss a problem which was asked in Daily Saw interview question. You see, if you go to must do coding question company wise and go to Daily Saw, you will find one of this question as non-repeating character. That is what we are going to discuss today, right? Okay, so let's see how this question. So given a string, find its first non-repeating character, right? So this is a string, right? You need to find out the first character which is not repeating. Simple question, very good question and simple. So in this you can learn that how we can use hash map as the data structure and find that out. There are multiple ways to solve this problem, right? Like you see, suppose this one is a string. So if we go one by one character, so try to match this character with all of this, right? And if you see any of the this is matching with this, so certainly this is not the answer. You go to E, it is matching again. K, again matching here. You go to S and match it forward somewhere, right? So it will match in the end, and it means it is not the character which is not repeating. If you go to F, then you find out everything like is it repeating? No, it is not repeating, right? So that will be the first character which is non-repeating. So that way you can use a loop, but that would be costly, right? How can we find it using some other strategy, right? So let's see that how we can find that using some of the other strategy, right? Okay, so can we use a hash map? So for using hash map, what shall we do? We'll try to find out like how many numbers of elements are there. Suppose G is there, right? And we find out that how many times G is occurring. So if you repeat the loop, right, you will find that G is occurring for 2 times. Then you go ahead with E, right? And you find that E is occurring for 2 times. Again, you go ahead with K, okay? And K also you will, in this loop, if you go through this string, right, you will find that K is also occurring 2 times. Then you go for S is also occurring for 2 times. You go for F, right? And F you will find only 1 time. And there we find our character, right? And that is what it is. And once you find it is only once, just print that this is the character which we wanted to find. Got it? So let's see how this is coded. Go ahead with this. We'll form a function, and we in this code we have used a concept called pointers, right? So we'll use pointers to navigate through the string, right? And that would help us in more uh, the way which is not leaky, right? Leaky means what? It does not contains loopholes. It means sometimes what happens if you use without pointer, you may have some problem. So there I'll come up with a video on the pointers. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a pointer, right? So there are certain advantages associated with pointers, and that advantage will be there with us, right? Okay, so first of all, this is a string, right? And we have called this function for non-repeating character. We have called this, and we have taken this our string as character, like pointer of character. So it will be pointing to first element. We'll get char count array. In this, what will happen? We'll find out that how many times our array is occurring. So this is what the pointer allocation, memory allocation. So there are two types of memory allocation in C. That will be like calloc and malloc. So there are certain ways different, right? तो उसमें क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे हमने कैलॉग के साथ मेमोरी अलोकेट कर दिया, और ये इसका सिंटेक्स है, ओके? उसके बाद हम एक लूप रन करेंगे, फॉर लूप, राइट? एंड देन विल काउंट दैट ईच कैरेक्टर आई इज इक्वल टू 0 टू अप टू आई प्लस प्लस, राइट? अब ये आई प्लस प्लस चलता रहेगा कब तक? एस टी आर प्लस आई, जब तक कि एस टी आर आई प्लस आई नल नहीं हो जाता है, राइट? ये चलता रहेगा, गॉट इट? And it will keep on counting like how many times that character is occurring, and that will return our count, and count will be type of int, right? Int star, actually that is the pointer, so we'll return this pointer, got it? And once you have this count, you can find out like which one is one, right? How many times. So it will be something like 2 2 2 2 2 2, and if we find 1, then done, right? So go ahead, we'll run this loop again, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे अगर हमारे पास equals to 1 आ जाता है, then index equals to I, and then we break our loop, right? And finally we free our count. इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें बेनिफिट ये है कि मेमोरी हमारी जो है वो लीक नहीं करती, और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता आगे चल के, लाइक मेमोरी का इशू जो हो जाता है कई बार प्रोग्राम्स में, लंबे प्रोग्राम जब हम करते हैं, जब हम प्रोजेक्ट में जाते तो अभी तो एज ऑफ नाउ यू ऑल आर डूइंग दिस सिंपल प्रोग्राम्स एंड ऑल, so that would be helpful for you, ठीक है? That's all guys, thank you very much. When the next video we'll see you, do subscribe my channel for this, ठीक है? Thank you very much.